This is the elevator at Phoenix Theaters at Great Northern Mall, former Regal Cinema. Has these 3,500 pounds. Just a pretty basic KSS500. I think this was from 2013. The original mall food court used to be in this spot, and there used to be a Dover black button. But, yeah, just doing one round trip.